Welcome. This video tutorial will cover Canvas Commons. First up on our agenda will be an overview. Canvas Commons is a free digital library where Canvas users can share course content. All faculty who use Canvas can search for course materials and activities, or import items from your own courses and share those activities with other faculty. Next on our agenda, how to search Commons. Begin by signing into Canvas. Then you will click on the Commons icon. It's a C with an arrow pointing to the right. At the top of your screen in the right, you will see the search bar. Here you can enter words, phrases, or the activity type that you're looking for. You can also sort and filter your search results. Your sort options include most relevant, so the closest to your search term, latest, the most recently uploaded, most favorited, or liked by the most users, as well as most downloaded. In other words, how many people have downloaded it into their courses. Your filter options include the type of activity that you are looking for. Once you've clicked on it, it will change color. Also, you can select the grade level that you're looking for. When you select the checkbox will mark. When your search results come up, you will see at the top of the page that your filter options have been followed. See, we selected undergraduate and that's what we received. Also, we were looking for a module and that's what we received. Next on our agenda, we will preview Commons items. Each search result will contain a link to the item. You can click on its name to preview. The preview information will show you exactly what is in this item. In this case, you can see that there is one module, 6 assignments, and 6 files. So when you have selected modules, you can see that each module is shown. You can inspect each item by scrolling down to read what is on the page. If there is an attached rubric, it will display at the bottom. You can see the criteria and the ratings as well as the total number of points. In addition to the preview, you can view the details, which include a description of the item as well as the tags. Likely one of those tags was your search term. Next on our agenda, importing from Commons. To import, begin by clicking on the Import Download button. A slide-out window will give you the opportunity to select which course you would like to import into. It is possible to import into more than one course. Once you have selected the course or courses, then you can click on the Import into Course button. Once you have done that, this display message will tell you that you've successfully started the import. The larger the item being imported, the longer it will take to import. After the item has been imported into your course, go to the course that you selected. In our case, it was Spring 102. Then go to the place where the item would display. In our case, it was modules, and we can see clearly that here is the module that we imported. Last on our agenda, a quick demo. This is just a demo to show you how quickly you can import content into a course. Click on the Canvas Commons icon. In the search bar, you can enter your search terms. Once you find the item that you're looking for, you can preview it to make sure that it is what you're looking for. In this case, I am selecting a 6-week course template as an example. You can select then your import button and the class that you wish to import it into, and I'll import it into an empty shell. I have my successful completion, so now I can go back to my dashboard. I can click into that course. And it may take a few minutes depending on how large the item is. May need to refresh. And already the information is displaying, so I can go into my modules and just do a quick check to make sure that all 6 weeks have arrived. So there's week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6-week template, and now I can start editing and making changes to my material. And this concludes our video tutorial. If you need further help, please consult the Canvas guides. Or for timely assistance, you can call the Canvas helpline at 844-603-4264. There's also district support available, so check with your DE coordinator. As you practice this new skill, remember what Dr. Carol Dweck says: becoming is better than being. Learning is a journey, so give yourself grace as you learn this and other new skills.